Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 13.1 question number 8. Rasmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 km. She drives on a road for 72 km. What would be her distance covered in the map? Here we have made a table with the given information. Here you see distance covered on road in kilometer. When the distance covered on road in kilometer is 18 kilometer, distance represented on map is 1 centimeter. The distance covered on road is 72 kilometer. Distance covered on map, let us take it as x, right? Now, you have to find out the relation. The relation is that the distance covered on road, if the distance covered on road increases, then the distance represented on map will also increase. That means the distance covered on road is in direct proportion to distance represented on map, right? Then we can write that the distance covered on road, the distance covered on road, the distance covered on road and the distance represented and the distance and the distance and the distance represented on map and the distance represented and the distance represented on map are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion. Therefore, we can write that 18 by 1, 18 by 1 is equal to 72 by x, 72 by x. Or you can write the value of x as 1 into 72 by 18, 1 into 72 by 18, and 18 4 is 72. Therefore, the value of x is equal to, the value of x is equal to 4. Or here you can write that the distance represented on map in centimeter is x is equal to 4 centimeter. X is equal to 4. What would be a distance covered in the map? Therefore, the distance represented on the map is 4 centimeter. Therefore, you can write therefore the distance represented on map is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.